Hey guys, so today we're on Beach Boulevard South here in Gulfport. Awesome town for pretty much anything artsy, restaurants, little bars, like little breweries. We're actually standing in front of one of my favorite places, Isabelle's. It actually went in between hotel, hospital, like multiple times over the past like 100 years or so. And now it's a southern restaurant. It's classic southern cuisine. They make really nice drinks there too. And then there's also the Gulfport Brewery and Eatery right down there too, which I really love, which we'll check out. But yeah, if you're looking for just kind of a nice like afternoon, a day by the water, but also some shopping, maybe a late lunch, maybe look at some art stuff if you're in the area, this is an awesome place to be. So let's walk around. They do a lot of pickup volleyball around here. It does get kind of competitive, but depends who you're playing with or what league. Sometimes they do have leagues too. But it's an awesome, great, relaxed, chill vibe down here between the bars, all the art studios and stuff, volleyball, you got the waterfront. So yeah, you got an afternoon, come check out Gulfport.